Hey everyone! So today I'm filming a productive day with me, a productive day in my life. I just got all dressed and ready for the day. I don't have any makeup or anything on yet because it is 8 o'clock and I plan on going to the gym at around 10. But yeah, I'm at home today. Basically, I'm showing you guys how I use my Sundays to plan the rest of the week. And I have a bunch of stuff to get done today. So I thought it would be fun to take you guys around with me on it. Also, I'm just getting over being sick. I'm still a little bit sick, so if I sound a little bit funny or I look really tired, that's why I'm still a little sick. But yeah, let's just get my day started. This is just some decaffeinated echinacea and elderberry tea to kind of help boost my immune system. It's supposed to be really good for natural remedies sort of thing. So I've been drinking that for the last few days because of my being sick. So. This morning, I just warmed up a little bit of my leftover oatmeal banana blueberry bake, and then I just topped it with some banana. And actually, if you follow me on Instagram, the day that I made this, I shared the recipe. While I was just eating my breakfast here, I actually kind of made a little to-do list on just a sticky pad because I like doing kind of a morning brain dump of all the things that I think I need to do, and then I can stick it over here on the counter. Basically, today I thought that I needed to plan my week, which I always do on Sundays. Plan future videos, go to the gym. I have a calculus test on Friday, so calculus review. I'm going to start looking up personal training courses. I have to find a dinner recipe for tonight because I'm making dinner, and then take Instagram pictures with a question mark because it's something I should do, but I don't know if I'll actually get to today. And I kind of just used my calendar, which is my iCloud calendar, and I have these different colors for the different sections. So purple is school, blue is personal, red is YouTube, yellow is work, and that's kind of just how I organize it. Basically, I just plan out my stuff, look at my calendar in the mornings, and then brain dump things that I need to do onto a little sticky note so I can stick it up. Now currently 9:20. I wanted to head to the gym at around 10, so I'm gonna head upstairs and kind of update my bullet journal planner and then get dressed, and then we'll head out to the gym. I kind of just took some time to myself, go on my phone, go on my laptop, relax for a little bit this morning because I know I have a busy day. So I know I'm getting a little bit of a late start, but that's okay sometimes. So if you've been on my channel for even the last few months, I rave about bullet journaling. I love creating my own calendar and setup, but I know that making your own calendar and your own bullet journal is not realistic for everyone. I've also realized that it's not realistic for me even half the time. I've recently started another planner, and this one is way more just overview goal oriented, and I love it. So it's by Lightspeed. But I want to show you how I've been using this journal recently. They are so pretty, and I've really been finding that they are super helpful to just keep me more productive, which this is a productive day with me. So I'm going to be using this because, like I said, it's really been helping to keep me productive. So I thought I'd give you guys a little overview of what is actually inside the journal before I show you how I use it and how I plan in it. Also, the packaging is so adorable and so lovely. Can we just look at this? It's aesthetic and simple. It's minimalistic. I'm obsessed. I'm really obsessed with it. So when you first open up the planner, I love it because there's no specific year, no specific month. You can really use it whenever. You start with a new start as well as a goals overview. So some big goals that you really want to make happen in whatever year it is that you're doing the planner for. And then it's just got a bunch of goal setting planner pages. What is your goal? Why is it important? When will you achieve it? I've been using this so much recently, and I'm finding it helps so much for me to accomplish some of my bigger goals that really need those further steps and more planning. Every week starts like this with a weekly review of gratitude, wins, progress, and then weekly planning of other tasks and goals that you need to do for that week that maybe you didn't finish the last week. This was my biggest thing that I wanted to get done today. We have the weekly planning and important tasks of the week. Let's do this, and then I will plan today and do my top 3 priorities and some of my schedule tasks before I head out to the gym. I've updated my goals and plans for the week, some extra notes that are happening this week, and then planned out today. So this is my top 3 priorities, as well as I kind of created a little schedule. And basically for this planner, I go off of my bullet journal that is always like updated with all of my current events, and kind of plan in anything here to kind of work around if I can do personal goals, or if they're school related goals or YouTube related goals, and just what my priorities and tasks are for the day or week. I'm gonna be linking the Lightspeed Planners website down below so you guys can go purchase them for yourselves, but also make sure to be following me on Instagram because I'm going to be doing a giveaway for one of these bad boys soon. So you guys can get productive, get your lives together, plan out your goals with me. Now we're going to get dressed and head to the gym. His gym outfit is pretty basic. I'm just wearing my black Adidas tank and then these gray leggings. Wow, that's a tall step. We're going to head out now. I'd give you a little update on what has happened since I got home from the gym. I changed back into my clothes, obviously, but I put on a long sleeve shirt because I always find that I'm a little bit cold after I get home from the gym and my hair is super frizzy, so we're gonna leave it back. But I put on some makeup. I feel a little bit more alive now. And I always find that if I like put myself together, I feel a little bit more productive and like I get more things done. But I had my protein shake, I had lunch, and on lunch I managed to find something to make for dinner, so I'll show you guys that in a minute. After that, we're gonna do some homework and get some of that stuff done because like I said, I have a calculus test on Friday, so I need to study for that. That's what we're gonna do now. So this is the recipe that I think I'm gonna make for dinner. It's just a sheet pan. So I'm definitely doing a sheet pan recipe, but it's just Cuban chicken and citrus avocado salsa. It looks so good. So I'm gonna probably try and make this tonight. Just finished most of my calculus stuff, I think. There might be some questions that I haven't done, but I'm going to move on to my next task of planning out some YouTube videos now. I don't think I'm gonna get to taking Instagram pictures today because it's already 2:30. Planning out my YouTube stuff takes me typically half an hour, so... Also, yes, I moved spots. But yeah, I moved spots to over here just because over there the bench is pretty high, so it was hurting my back, so I need to sit on a lower chair now. Now I'm actually gonna plan some YouTube videos. This is my March to May planning, and I actually managed to get all the way to May 18th. So I'm really happy. I actually got like a bunch of videos planned out like the next 3 weeks, so yay, super great. It is currently 3:30 and I'm actually going to be going to pick up my boyfriend now and then hang out with him for the rest of the night. So I'm actually going to end off the video here because this is kind of the end of my actual productive day. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this productive day with me. I hope to film another one in the future because these are a lot of fun. They're just like vlog day in my lives. And I hope this kind of helps you to be a little bit more productive and help you get productivity started. This is basically what a Sunday in my day looks like. I just plan out stuff, I do homework, and then I hang out with like a friend. But like I said, I really hope you guys enjoyed. I love you so much, mwah, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
You look like an angel